Hello, good morning to all of you. Sorry, good afternoon to all of you. Uh, Now, this is the differentiation MHT CET multiple choice questions आहेत यामध्ये. Now we'll take the one by one questions. Okay. Up to this, you have completed the study of differentiation, and also I had uh, taken all the lessons on Unacademy platform for the differentiation application of the differentiation. Now we'll start the multiple choice questions. Okay, these are the useful too in board exam. Okay, now the first question is that is let f of 1 is equals to 3, f dash of 1 is equals to minus 1 upon 3, g of 1 is equals to minus 4, and g dash of 1 is equals to minus 8 upon 3. The derivative of in root of f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square with respect to x at x is equals to 1 is. Okay. Now we'll differentiate this. The first option is minus 29 upon 15, second is 7 upon 3, C is 31 upon 15, and D is 29 upon 15. Okay. Now we'll solve this example. The first we'll differentiate this, that is I will write here y is equals to here is a y is equals to in root of here is a f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square. Now we know the derivative of root of x. What is the derivative of root of x? That is 1 upon 2 times root of x. In a similar manner, we will find out the derivative of this function. That is a differentiate this with respect to x. That is a dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to, here is a 1 upon 2 in root of 1 upon 2 in root of, what is here, f of x, here is a bracket square plus g of x bracket square into the derivative of, this is the composite function. The derivative of f of x bracket square is a 2 times, म्हणजे त्याचा पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार आपण इथे. that is a 2 times, here is a f of x into derivative of f of x, which is written as f dash of x, here is a f dash of x, plus next is a derivative of g of x bracket square, again the derivative of power function. What is the power? It's a power is a 2, and we can write here that is a 2 times, here is a g of x into derivative of g dash of x. Okay, and then we substitute the values. We take the 2 as a common. If we take the 2 as common, then in bracket you will get, here is a f of x into f dash of x plus, what is here? Here is a g of x into, here is a g dash of x. Okay. Okay. Now to the denominator, what is the denominator? Here is again 2 in root of, there is a 2 in root of f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square. Take 2 as a common, then this 2 will get cancelled. And then we substitute the value of the f of x at x is equals to 1. Now we'll find out the value of that f of x. Here is a, that is a dy by dx, dy by dx at x is equals to 1. Now we have here value dy by dx at x is equals to 1. What is here? Here is a f of 1 into f dash of 1 plus, what is the next? Here is a g of 1 into g dash of 1. Okay, this whole divided by in under root of, here is a in under root of, what is here? F of 1, okay, f of 1 bracket square plus g of 1, here is a bracket square. Then we substitute the values. Okay, the next slide I will write here. Here is a, what is that? The values are, now see this here, we know their values. What is that? F of 1 is 3, f dash of 1 is a minus 1 upon 3. G of 1 is equals to minus 4 and g dash of 1 is equals to minus 8 upon 3. Now our job is to fill the values, their values. Now we'll substitute the values here. See this here. Therefore, here we write here dy by dx at x is equals to 1. At x is equals to 1. Therefore, here you will have, that is a 1 upon in under root of, what is f of 1? F of 1 is 3 and here is a, it's a value f of 1, the value of f of 1 is 3 and g of 1 is a 4, that is a 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore I will write here 3 square is a 9 and 9 plus, here is a 9 plus 16. Okay, now the next is in bracket, what are the value? The values of f of 1 and f dash of 1. F of 1, that is a 3 into in bracket minus 1 upon 3, okay, plus minus 4 into g dash of 1. The value of g dash of 1 is a minus 8 upon 3. These are the values. Okay. These are the values and then we substitute the values. Here is a, therefore after the calculation, now here is a minus 1 upon, what is that? That is a root of 25. Here is a 5. What about here? Here is a minus 1 and next is a minus will become plus. Here is a 4 into 8 and that is a 32 upon 3, and if we take the calculation, that is a 3 into minus 1, it is a minus 3 and a plus 32, that is you will get the 29 upon 5. Okay, 29 upon 5, and therefore the which option is the correct one? Now see this here, 29 upon 15 into, okay, one thing is that into 5. Okay, if we simplify this, then you will get 29 upon 3. That is a 29 upon 15. Okay, therefore the option D is the correct one. Now we'll see the next question. हा क्वेश्चन सोपा आहे, यामध्ये काही जास्त वेळ लागणार नाही. Now see this is the question, that is y is equals to sec in bracket tan inverse of x. Then what is the value of dy by dx at x is equals to 1? Okay, it's a value. The option 1 is a is a 1 upon 2, b is 1, c is 1 upon root 2, and d is a root 2. Now we'll differentiate this. Y is equals to sec of tan inverse of x. Okay, now y is equals to, here is a y is equals to sec of tan inverse of x. Now simple as a derivative. What is the derivative of sec of x? Sec of x is a derivative sec of x into tan of x. In a similar manner, that is a, here is a dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equals to, the derivative of sec of tan of x is sec of, here is a sec of tan of x. Okay, sorry, sec of tan inverse of x into tan of tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x. Now this is a composite function, therefore we want to find out the derivative of tan inverse of x. अपन derivative लेना, into, here is a into 1 upon 1 plus, here is a x square, 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the substitute their values. See this here. Here is a sec of tan inverse of x. Okay, sec of tan inverse of x, and tan inverse of tan inverse of x, its a value is x, into 1 upon 1 plus x square. आता आपल्याला कुठे फाइंड आउट करायचे, इट्स अ dy by dx at x is equals to 1. Now substitute x is equals to 1 here. Therefore here you will have dy by dx at x is equals to 1. Okay, x is equals to 1. Then see this here, sec in bracket, इथे किती येणार, tan inverse of 1, the value of x is 1, into 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, 1 upon 1 plus 1 square. Now tan inverse of 1, the value of tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Therefore I will write here, what is here, that is equals to sec tan inverse of, what is the value of tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1 ची value किती, it's a pi by 4. Therefore I will write here pi by 4 into 1 upon, what is here, 1 upon 1 plus 1 square. 1 square means 1. Therefore 1 upon 1 plus 1. Therefore you will get 1 upon 1 plus 1 means what? Here you will get the 2. But what is the value of sec of pi by 4? The value of sec of pi by 4 is root 2. Therefore you will have here root 2 into 1 upon 2. Here is a 2, and overall you will get here the answer is a 1 upon root 2. Okay, therefore the 1 upon root 2, the option C is a correct one here. Okay, now we'll take the next question. If f of x is equals to sine inverse 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Which of the following is not the derivative of f of x? या खालपैकी कुठला derivative नसेल. The one thing is that we check here the denominator all. We apply here the elimination method. Okay, which of the following is not the derivative? If you apply here the elimination method, then see this here, 1 plus 4 raised to 2x here is it? Yes, okay. 1 plus 4 raised to 2x is here. And what about here? 1 plus 4 raised to 4x. Okay, this is different one. And what is here? 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Now this 2 raised to 4x can be written as 1 plus 2 raised to 2 and bracket raised to 2x. Then you will get 1 plus 4 raised to 4x. And here the denominator 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Here is a denominator 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. But this one is a different one. But all these three, that is A, B and D, they have the same denominator. Then which one is a different? The C is a different one, and hence that is a 4 raised to x plus 1 into log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 4x is not the derivative of f of x is equals to sine inverse in bracket 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Okay. Otherwise, also we can find out the derivative of this function. Then how to find out the derivative of this function? That is f of x is equals to sine inverse of 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Now we will find out its derivative. Now here we will substitute the value. What is the function we have given? That is a y is equals to. Okay, here is a that is y is equals to sine f of x is equals to sine inverse 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 and 1 plus 2 raised to 4 raised to x. We substitute here 4 raised to x is equals to tan of theta, tan theta. Here we will write here 4 raised to x is equals to tan theta. Okay, 4 raised to x. Then what is the theta? Then theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 raised to x. Then theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 raised to x. What about your integral will be, that is function will become, what is your function? Therefore, this f of x is equals to, this f of x is equals to 4 raised to x. Okay, I will write here sine inverse, here is a sine inverse. Okay, in bracket we have here 4 raised to x and into 4 raised to 1 upon 2 upon this divided by 1 plus 4 raised to 4x. Okay, 1 plus 4 raised to 4x. Then what you will get? Here is a sine inverse and in bracket 4 raised to 1 upon 2 means what? You will get here 2 into 4 raised to x. This is the first thing. Okay, and what about the next? That is a, here is a 1 plus, I will write here the function, that is a 1 plus 2 raised to 4 raised to x. Again, this can be written as, here is a 2. What is here? We require here is a 2. Now this can be written as 1 plus 4 raised to 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. हा इथला 2 आपण बाजूला घेणार, 2 raised to 2, that will become 4. That is 4 raised to 2x, and our substitution is a 4 raised to x is equals to tan theta. and overall this will become direct, that is a sine inverse, and in bracket you will get 2 times, here is a tan theta upon 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square, that is a 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 4 raised to x, and that's a bracket square, therefore sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. But what is the value of 2 times tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? Tan theta means what? Sin theta upon cos theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is a sec square theta. It will go to the numerator and that will get cancelled, and overall you will get, that is a 2 sin theta into cos theta, and that is nothing but the sine of 2 times theta. And this is the direct formula. 2 times tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is a sine of 2 times theta, and therefore I will write here, that is a sine inverse of, here is a sine of 2 times theta. Okay, sine inverse of sine of 2 times theta. Therefore we have here, that is a f of x is equals to sine inverse of sine of 2 times theta. That is nothing but the, here is a 2 theta. But what is the value of this theta? Theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 raised to x. Therefore I will write here 2 times, here is a tan inverse of, here is a tan inverse of 4 raised to x. Okay, 2 tan inverse of 4 raised to x. This is the f of x. Now we'll find out the derivative of this f of x is equals to 2 times tan inverse of 4 raised to x. What's its a derivative? Its a derivative is simple derivative, that is a f dash of x is equals to, that is the derivative. We know the derivative of tan inverse of x is a 1 upon 1 plus x square. In a similar manner, here is a 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square into derivative of 4 raised to x. Therefore see this here, that is a, here is a 2, first of all 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square into derivative of 4 raised to x. We know the derivative of a raised to x. The derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. In a similar manner, the derivative of 4 raised to x is a 4 raised to x into log of 4. Okay, 4 raised to x into log of 4. And now this can be written in this different form, that is we can write here. See this here, first is a 2, I will write here 2 into 4 raised to x, 2 into 4 raised to x into log of 4, I had written as it is, and this divided by 1 plus, what is it, 1 plus 4 raised to 2x, 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Which option is here? That is a 2 into 4 raised to x into log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Now see this here, which option is here? The 2 into 4 raised to x log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. That is this is the first option, that is the option kramanka, option number A. Okay, now next again we will simplify here. We can simplify here like this. Here is a 2 into, here is a 4 raised to x. Okay, now what about here? Log of 4. Log of 4 means what? Log of 4 can be written as, that is a log of 2 raised to 2, and then we can write here 2 into log of 2. Okay, therefore log of 4 can be written as here 2 log of 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x, 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Now here 2 into 2, 2 into 2, that will become 4, and then it will become 4 raised to x plus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4 raised to x, that is the 4 raised to x plus 1 into log of 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. And this is nothing but, now we'll see which option is here. See this here. The second option, that is a B, is here. That is 4 raised to x plus 1 log of 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x. That is I will write here the B option is here. Okay, B option is here. Now the next is we'll write here. Two options we have completed here. Now next is here is a 2, 4. 4 can be written as this. I will write here. This 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2, and this bracket raised to x plus 1 into log of 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Okay, 1 plus 4 raised to 2x, and therefore here we will get here, that is a 2 into in bracket x plus 1, here is x plus 1 into log of 2 upon this divided by, that is a 1 plus. Now again here, that is a 4. 4 means what? 2 raised to 2. Therefore we will get here, that is a 2 raised to 2 and bracket raised to 2x. Then it will become 2 raised to 4x, and 2 raised to here is a 4x. 2 raised to 4x, and this is nothing but the option D. I think that it is the last one. Option D is here. Option D is here. In this way, we can solve by using the immediately by using the elimination method also, and by using the our step-by-step method. You can solve this. Now the next question. There is a question. If x raised to y is equals to y raised to x, then dy by dx is equals to, then dy by dx is equals to x in bracket x log of y minus y, and the next is a dy by if x raised to y is equals to y raised to x, then dy by dx is equals to. These are the options, and you can try now for this example. To solve this example, take log on both sides and differentiate on both sides. You will get the answer.